how to set power on timer on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to system. And system, go to timer settings. And now you can adjust the timer setting to suit your preferences. Okay, go to timer settings. In timer settings, go to power on timer. Here in power on timer, you can set the time you want the TV to turn on automatically. So okay, you'll have to do is go to power on timer to set. And here in power on timer, you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, you can enable this or turn on to set this. And okay, you can set into once or weekly. So you can select into Monday to Saturday. You can set as a weekly. And if you want to set once, you can select once. So for my example, I select into weekly. And below of this, you can see the time. So now you can set the time you want to power on the TV. And for my example, I set into 2. Click OK if you set the time. And after that, select confirm to save. And now your TV is automatically turned on into 2. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the power on timer on your Devant Smart TV.